In the last tutorial, we created an ERC-20 token that represents a license to use a fictional software called Terabyte Online Media, TOM. If you want to know how to create a standard ERC-20 using vanilla or pistachio token flavors, please go to that video, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we are going to see the advanced features you can use for your token. The chocolate token flavor gives you additional features like the ability to burn tokens. Token holders can burn, or destroy, their tokens from their own accounts. Following the same example of the last video, imagine that a license holder doesn't want to use TOM software anymore. He can burn the token, and in this way, he renounces to the right to use the software. You can click on the checkbox Burnable to add this feature to your token. Another available feature is the ability to mint or create new tokens. All ERC-20 has a specific supply limit. Authorized accounts might have the right to increase the total supply of tokens, and assign the new tokens to a specific account. In the TOM token example, we can imagine that all the licenses that were initially created were sold. In this case, to keep selling licenses, authorized accounts can mint new tokens. Optionally, authorized accounts can authorize or assign minter privileges to any account they choose. You can click on the checkbox Mintable to add this feature to your token. Also, you will need to fill the maximum cap your token can reach. Fill this in the mintable cap field. Finally, you can choose possible if you, or the accounts you authorize, can pause all token activity. An authorized account can also resume token activity after the token is paused. The rest of the process is exactly the same as the last tutorial. Fill all mandatory fields. Click Deploy and follow the instructions. Please go to the last tutorial if you need more information to deploy your tokens. See you in the next video.